The Cel-Fi Go products leverage award-winning proprietary signal processing to deliver the industry's best voice and data performance for wireless subscribers on the move. While there are two versions of the Cel-Fi Go products for mobile installations, the planning, installation, and provisioning of them works the same way. For simplicity's sake, we will use the same model throughout this video, but the instructions apply to all Go mobile products. Cel-Fi Go is designed to amplify cellular signals in mobile environments by up to 70 decibels. This may be less based on federal regulations in your area. First, we will lay out the parts to ensure the intended locations will work for the cable length. Your installation kit includes the Go unit, the cigarette lighter power adapter, the donor magnetic mount antenna, and the server antenna. For best performance, the donor and server antenna should be as isolated from each other as possible. This can be achieved with both distance and materials, like the metal roof. Find a location near the back of the vehicle for the magnetic mount antenna. The mag mount antenna should be placed at least 400 millimeters from the back or side of the vehicle to ensure a consistent ground plane. Now find a location for the server antenna. This should be in an area of the vehicle where better service is needed. Next, we need to find a location for the Go unit itself. This needs to be in an area where the unit will not be damaged and has some airflow for cooling. Finally, route the power cable between the cigarette lighter and the Go unit. With the planning complete, we are ready to start the system installation. First, install the mag mount in the planned location. Route the donor antenna cable back to the area where the Cel-Fi Go will be installed. Once you are happy with the location of the components, you can use the tape on the back of the server antenna to attach it, and then route the cable back to the unit. Now route the cable to the Cel-Fi Go, but do not plug it in yet. Carefully hide all the cables behind plastic panels, along window trim, or underneath carpets. Be careful not to place any of the cables in an area where they could be crushed, cut, or pinched. Now you are ready to install the Go unit itself. When permanently installing the Go unit, be sure to check where you're drilling. For ease of use, try to keep access to the top of the Go unit open so that LEDs can be visible. Remember to be mindful of other wiring, gas tanks, or areas that would cause water leakage. Carefully mount the Go unit and connect all cables. Make sure antenna cables are snug. With the installation complete, we are ready to test and register the system. Download the Cel-Fi Wave application from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Cel-Fi Wave application and accept the terms of service. Make sure the Go system is powered on. The Cel-Fi Wave app will search to find the system and guide you through connection. Bluetooth LE must be supported on your handset and enabled. Some mobile network operators require that you register the unit prior to using it. If this is the case, the Wave application will prompt you to register once the application is connected to the Cel-Fi Go. If prompted, follow the instructions provided to complete the registration process. Once registration is complete, if required, the Cel-Fi Wave application will display a dashboard which will supply feedback about how the system is working. The dashboard will advise whether the installation is great, okay, or poor. If the installation is only okay or poor, the Wave app will supply suggestions on how to improve the installation. That's it. Your Cel-Fi Go system is now ready to provide better coverage and faster data rates on the go.